Hello everyone, welcome back to Comparative Investing Techniques CIT channel. This video we are updating the performance of a SGS listed company called SAMUDERA Shipping, previously used by CIT to demonstrate the effectiveness of our intrinsic value, and we shall now bring investor attention to our Facebook update. On the 28th of December 2020, based on SAMUDERA Shipping 2020 Q2 result, CIT first conducted our review on this company and estimated its intrinsic value at 0.251 cent. Close price on the 28th of December was at 0.245 cent. As per our attachment, which also show at 0.245 cent, traded below the CIT intrinsic value of 0.251 cent. So along the way, we continue to update its latest intrinsic value. So on the 25th of February 2021, based on SAMUDERA Shipping 2020 Q4 result, we estimated its intrinsic value to 0.307 cent. Close price was at 0.24 cent. As per our attachment, which also show at 0.24 cent on 25th of February 2021, again traded below the CIT intrinsic value of 0.307 cent. On the 29th of July 2021, CIT informed our group member that SAMUDERA Shipping latest intrinsic value estimated based on 2021 Q2 result is available for purchase. So we have indicated here for Sing dollar payment is $20 per valuation request, and for USD payment is $20 USD per valuation request. Alright. So this latest intrinsic value for SAMUDERA Shipping estimated by its 2021 Q2 result on 29th of July 2021 was at 0.58 cent. So close price on 29th of July 2021 was at 0.44 cent. As per our attachment, which also showed at 0.44 cent on 29th of July 2021, again traded below the CIT intrinsic value of 0.58 cent. So we shall now take a look at SAMUDERA Shipping latest share price performance. So as at today, 6th of September 2021, SAMUDERA share price currently is trading at 0.58 cent. Alright, so we have done up a spreadsheet to recap all the information that we have saw. So as per what we have saw just now, on the 28th of December 2020, CIT provided intrinsic value on SAMUDERA Shipping based on its 2020 Q2 result at 0.251 cent. Close price was at 0.245 cent. So upfront, if an investor have submitted their valuation request to CIT and found that the share price is trading below the intrinsic value, and of course, if you are comfortable with this small margin of safety and decided to go ahead to take position, on the 25th of February 2021, again you can submit your valuation request to us to find out the latest intrinsic value. Based on its 2020 Q4 result, we will advise you that the intrinsic value have increased to 0.307 cent, and the share price on 25th of February was still traded at 0.24 cent. So meaning there wasn't any movement. Alright, even though the intrinsic value have actually increased. So over here you can see that in the short run, right, the share price can actually decouple from the intrinsic value. It doesn't mean that the intrinsic value goes up, the share price will go up. It is because of this reason that share price in the short run can actually move in the opposite direction from intrinsic value. It actually create arbitrage profit for investor to take position in the stock market. If it always follow the intrinsic value, then there is no chance for investor to take arbitrage profit. Alright, so once the investor is able has identified the intrinsic value and saw that the share price trade at a significant discount below it, then it actually gives you a wonderful investment opportunity. Alright, so on the 29th of July 2021, again CIT provided intrinsic value based on its 2021 Q2 result at 0.58 cent. Close price on 29th of July, as per what we have saw just now, was at 0.44 cent. Again, traded below the CIT intrinsic value. Alright, so if an investor upfront had taken position on 28th of December, what happened is that when come to today, 6th of September 2021, based on the current share price of 0.58 cent, he or she will have profited 136% return. Alright, so likewise, the maximum return that I produced so far for this year was also at 0.58 cent, and that will also give investor 136% return. Alright, so again, we remind investor that we have already position our this intrinsic value, okay, and investor can actually access to our intrinsic value when you actually purchase or submit in your valuation request. So do not come to us again and ask us what is the intrinsic value for any particular stocks without making any payment. Alright, we only provide intrinsic value to you unless you have made your payment. Alright, so or alternatively, if you want to find out the those stocks that have the deepest discount with the share price of the deepest discounts from their intrinsic value, you can sign up to become our subscriber, and when come 1st April 2022, so apparently we still do not accept yet, but now you can submit in your valuation request to find out stocks that you want to know. So for investors who are investing in both Singapore and Hong Kong stock market, alright, you are strongly advised to send your valuation request to us before you take position, okay? Because if you do not know the intrinsic value, it is very dangerous for you to invest. You can end up in very huge losses. So as per what we have mentioned, for Singaporean we charge $20 Sing on every valuation request. For foreigner we charge 20 USD. Right, so with that we shall end our presentation on Samudera Shipping, and we have one investor who had actually sent in his valuation request on 29th of July to us to find out the intrinsic value for Samudera Shipping. And if he has taken position, we congratulate him, because from 29th of July to the current share price that reflects intrinsic value of 0.58 cent, I think should have profit around maybe 30% return. Alright, so even though he has taken position only on 29th of July. Alright, so with that we shall end our presentation. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.